Hey everyone, welcome to the new and short video on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create your Instagram account. If you don't know how to create that, first you have to download the Instagram app, and then after that you have to open your and you have to click this small circle here. I already created my account and you can see add Instagram account. Click this and you will see that login into existing account or you have to create new account. So I will suggest that create new account. You have to put your username, whatever username you will be going to put, but username should be perfectly put here. Your name, if you want to put your name, you can put your name also. If you want to pronounce by other name, you can pronounce by other name also. And after clicking username, it will show you how to create that details by details. You have to follow that information by Instagram team, and then you will be created your account. Thanks for watching.